Now we'll see how to create a item in Oracle applications. Let's log into application, go to the responsibility called inventory vision operations. Select inventory vision operations USA responsibility. This is inventory module. Module is nothing but a group of forms. This all are inventory forms, which are used to maintain the inventory data. Inventory data we can maintain in all these forms. And where do we find inventory reports and inventory programs? Go to SRS window. Here we can find inventory reports and inventory programs. These all are inventory reports and inventory programs. Now our requirement is we want to create an item. Go to items menu. Go to items menu, master items menu, master items. Before we try to create item, system will ask you which inventory organization you want to create an item. These all are inventory names, inventory organization names. This is seeded data. Generally when we are working for the client, whatever client inventories are there, that names will be there. Right now I am selecting the inventory called vision operations. Okay. This inventory data we will find in the table called org organization definitions table. Org organization definitions table, and primary key in this table is organization ID. Primary key in the table is organization ID. So this table is having inventory organizations data. So here we can find the organization code as V1. Organization name is vision operations. Internal number is 204. Organization ID is 204. Now we are creating item for the organization called V1 here. It means that item is accessible from the V1. That item is accessible from V1 organization users. We can assign the item for other organizations also, that we'll see next level. Go to vision operations. This is items form. Here we have to give the item name and description. I am giving the item name as a keyboard, black color, 124 inches. The maximum size for the item name is 30 characters. We can't enter more than 30 characters. What I will do is I am going to enter this entire information as a description. Enter item name and description. Save. Once we create item, it will be saved in the database. Table name is MTL system items B. MTL system items B, where segment 1 equal to name of the item. Segment 1 column contains item name. We have given the item name as keyboard. Search. I think we have given I will find the item details here. Item description, item name. Segment 1 column contains item name. Here primary key is inventory item ID and organization ID. It is a composite primary key. It is a composite primary key. It means the combination of these two columns are unique. We cannot say item ID is unique. We cannot say organization ID is unique, but the combination of two columns are unique. Why this option is defined by Oracle is, same item I am going to assign for one more organization. How to assign the item to another organization? Tools menu, organization assignment. Right now we have assigned the item to the Vision Operations. Now I am assigning to Vision Colombia and also for Switzerland. Save. I have assigned item to 3 organizations. Now in the database there will be 3 records. Item is same item, but organization ID is different. This item is assigned for 3 organizations. So whenever we are writing the queries, if we are using this table, we must use these 2 join conditions in the where clause. If we use only item ID, we may get duplicate records like this. So we must use the item ID as well as organization ID, then we get unique records from the database. So right now what we have done, we have just created an item and we have assigned item to the another organizations also. Now what we are going to do, simple 2 setups we are going to do. We are going to make the item as an inventory item. What is the meaning of this checkbox? This item can be received into the inventories, nothing but a warehouses. This item is allowed into the warehouses. Save. Then this item can be purchased. I want to purchase this item. So what we have to do, go to purchasing tab, check this checkbox, purchased. Save. This item can be purchasable from the suppliers. If we don't check this checkbox, this item cannot be purchased from the suppliers. Means this item will not be available in purchasing module. If the item is not inventory item, then you cannot access the item in the inventory. This is BOM module. This is assets module, costing module, receivings module. Every module there will be a properties, item properties. But we require just create an item and make the item as inventory item and make the item as a purchasable item. In the table, how to find whether this item is an inventory item or purchasable item? There will be a checkbox here. There will be a checkbox here. Yes. Purchasing item flag is yes. Inventory item flag is yes. Generally, front end checkbox means internally either yes or no will be there. We can also have other data, but 99% there will be yes or no options. This is how we can create an item and what are the tables affected for the item.